Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a fun new subscription box to share with you guys. This one is called the Date Night box, and it's one of those boxes where you can just buy it one off and they have different ones to choose from. You can, if you wanted to do it as a gift or just a one-time thing, or you can subscribe, and it's $31.99 if you do it monthly, or if you want a 6-month prepay, it is $25 a box, or for a 1-year prepay, it comes out to $19.99 a box. And then if you do choose to do it month to month, you can do it either every month, every other month, or every quarter, which I think is really cool. I love that they have different options like that. So they sent me this one. This is the retro game show date night, and Colin and I have actually started doing every Wednesday is date night because while we're in quarantine and can't go anywhere, we at least want to set aside time where we spend time together, and the kids do their thing and then he and I do our thing, and usually we just end up watching a movie or something. But I thought this was really fun, so we did everything in this box and we actually really enjoyed it. I was a little nervous because Colin isn't usually into this sort of thing, specifically like the game show kind of stuff. He hates those sorts of games like Taboo, charades, Pictionary even, anything like that. Those are not his favorite type of games. I, of course, love them. So I wasn't sure if he was going to do this with me, but he did, and we had a lot of fun. So it comes with all of these different things and instructions for several different games. So you could choose to do, one a night, or you could do them all in one night like Colin and I did. And I'll show you the different games that it came with. And obviously this one is the retro game show, so different ones will have different themes. But it came with a stack of cards. There's actually 2 different stacks of cards here. One is for a Jeopardy style game where you lay out the cards and then, you say, I'll take creepy crawlers and critters for 600. And then you flip it over and it says, what is the biggest frog in the world? And then the other person has to answer, the Goliath frog, and then if they get it wrong, they have to do the thing at the bottom. So for this one it says ribbit like a frog for 30 seconds. So they're supposed to do that part, but if they get it right, then the other person has to do that part. We mostly skipped those because that was the embarrassing part of it that neither of us were all that into. So, some of them, like this one, you must eat 10 crackers as fast as you can. Or, silly things like that, that I think would be fun icebreaker type things, especially if you are in a newer relationship or just married or something like that. I think it could be a lot of fun. Oh, and then there was a volleyball game, or a beach ball volley game. And they actually included a blow-up beach ball, which is in my house somewhere. Of course, the kids ran off with it, and I don't know where it is currently. Anyway, it's one of those where you throw it up in the air, and then wherever your right thumb lands on whichever color, you have to do that thing. And there's just a list of different things. Discover one new food fact about your partner that you didn't know while doing 50s style dance moves for 30 seconds. So there's all these, quirky, silly things. Oh, and then this one where you put this on your head and then you put little cards in it, and you have to try to get the person to guess what's on the cards on their forehead by saying like one-word things, and you can't say anything that's on the card, obviously. And then there's a points tracker, and then it came with some cards, you think you know me, and it was questions. Where was your first kiss? And then where was your last kiss? So Colin and I were both like, the kitchen? I don't, but obviously we both remembered our first kiss. So random little questions, and we both filled them out and then went over them. And most of them were pretty on par, we know each other pretty well. We've been together for almost 14 years. So some of it was like, yeah, okay, I can't think of anything you don't know about me. But some of them were really fun to do. So I thought we had a really good time with this, and I think it's a unique idea to do as a couple, because especially right now with all of the pandemic quarantine stuff going on, we can't go out to restaurants or anything. So what are you gonna do? Well, get yourself a date night box, and then you can still have fun and have that connection with your partner, because even though we're both at home all the time, I feel like we have very little time where we're actually connecting with each other, because we're always both doing our own thing, taking care of the kids, working, you know, doing whatever it is that we're doing, there's not a lot of time where we can just like sit and hang out and laugh and, you know, so I really enjoyed doing this. I thought that it was a really fun idea. So I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys are interested. I love that they have all of the different options. You could also, you know, send this to a couple you love as a gift. I think that would be a fun idea. I know like 3 different people who are having anniversaries this week. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!